Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach for UKG students and the subject is environmental studies and the chapter is my school. So everyone have the concept of school, isn't it? When you go to school, you see many things around your school as your school is a very huge building, big building, isn't it? It is bigger in size. It has a big playground. It has many classes, classrooms and all, windows, doors. So a school is having a big building out here, okay? And what do you see in this school? You see a bus, you see a sleeper, you see a big clock, you see a big gate, you see seesaw, you see many trees out there, isn't it? Then a guard, then a big door, many windows are here. So you have to write the name of things which you see in the above school. See, this is a school and whatever you see in this picture you have to write over here, okay? So whatever you see you have to write here as seesaw, sleeper, school bus, gate, clock, windows, doors, trees, okay? Wall, whatever you find in this picture you will write here. Then my classroom. As I told you that in a school there are many classrooms. Okay. So what do you find in your classroom? When you enter your class, what do you find in your classroom? You find a blackboard. With it you find chalk and duster. Then a teacher who teaches you, then a chart to make you understand properly, a cupboard where many books are kept, a computer, then some crayons are here, so many books are here, a chair where you sit, a table where you keep your books and write. See, in this picture, a girl is playing with a toy. So, where she is sitting? She is sitting over a mat. Then what is it? It is a toys. So you can see many blanks out here. So you have to complete the blanks. Okay. So this we will do in the WhatsApp group. Then see, look at the picture. Tick the things which you see in your classroom. So there are some pictures given. You have to write or you have to tick the name. Okay. You have to tick those which you see in your classroom. One is a book, the second picture is swing, then a table, then a clock, then a chair and a traffic lights. So what do you find in your classroom? Book, you have to tick it. Do you find swing in your classroom? No, you find it in your school compound but not in your classroom. So this will be cross. Then a table, yes, you find it in your classroom. Then a clock, yes, you can find but not in your classroom, in your school campus, okay, not in your classroom. So it will be cross. Chair, yes, you find this in your classroom. And traffic light, no, we don't find this traffic lights in our classroom, so this will be wrong. Read aloud and write these names. So you have to read aloud. Chalk, repeat after me. Chalk, yes, good. Second one, books, repeat after me. Books, yes, right. Then number 3, table, repeat after me. Yes, table. So you have to write chalk in these two gaps, books in these two gaps and table in this two gaps. and this you will color the picture. This was all about this chapter. Thank you.